Not only is this possibly the missing Malaysian plane's black box recording, but it mentions how they are not human. Theories regarding the ongoing solar storms and electromagnetic activity explain why this ended up in a random person's voicemail box. What if by they are not human it means AI? I saw this suggested in the original Twitter thread. Transcription of voicemail. Danger societies dire for auto evacuated be cautious hiarano thuman 042933964230 sos danger sos. Danger SOS it is dire for you to evacuate be cautious they are not human 042933964230 SOS danger SOS. Listen to voicemail.
Sierra, Delta, Alpha, November, Golf, Echo, Romeo, Sierra, Oscar, Sierra. India, Tango, India, Sierra, Delta, India, Romeo, Echo, Foxtrot, Oscar, Romeo, Yankee, Oscar, Uniform, Tango, Oscar, Echo, Victor, Alpha, Charlie, Uniform, Alpha, Tango, Echo, Bravo, Echo, Charlie, Alpha, Uniform, Tango, India, Oscar, Uniform, Sierra, Tango, Hotel, Echo, Yankee, Alpha, Romeo, Echo, November, Oscar, Tango, Hotel, Uniform, Mike, Alpha, November, 042933964230, Sierra, Oscar, Sierra, Delta, Alpha, November, Golf, Echo, Romeo, Sierra, Oscar, Sierra.